Hello and welcome back to a new video from Mia's Yummy World. Normally you would find only puddings and cakes on this channel, but today I'm here with one of my family favorites, a quick fried rice recipe which is perfect for a busy day. If you are bored of the regular meals, you can try this rice as it's very tasty and super easy to make. Let's get into the recipe. Heat a wide pan on medium flame and add just enough oil to cover the bottom of the pan completely. When the oil is hot, add a cup of finely chopped onions and fry it until golden. As always, if you are new to my channel, hello there, I'm glad to have you here. Please remember to subscribe and click the bell icon as I post delicious, quick and easy family recipes or holiday vlogs every week. If you have seen this channel before, welcome back, and my gratitude to everyone who has subscribed and supported me. It may just be a little click of a button for you, but it means a lot to me, so thank you very much. Back to our recipe. To the fried onions, add a cup of any veggies you like in your rice. I have used chopped carrots, beans, peas and sweet corn. Fry it for 2 to 3 minutes until soft. And the next ingredient is optional. You can add a cup of shredded cabbage. It gives a special taste to the rice. When the cabbage is also fried well, make a little space in the middle of the pan like this and scramble fry an egg. I'm doing it this way only to make it a one-pot dish and because I do not want to wash up one more pan. You can also add boiled shredded chicken or cooked prawns also at this time if you like it in your rice. Now the egg is well fried and scrambled. Mix it along with the rest of the vegetables and cabbage. Now add salt to taste. Make sure it's enough salt for the rice, vegetables and egg. If you're adding chicken or prawns, make sure to add salt accordingly. I also like to add 1 teaspoon of sugar. I have used brown sugar. This gives a special taste and flavor to the rice. Combine everything really well, and now to keep that special taste, add half a tablespoon of tomato sauce or ketchup and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Remember to not overdo the sauces, just add very little amount of soy sauce and ketchup or else it will upset the taste of the rice. Combine everything well, and if you prefer to have white colored fried rice, then just avoid the soy sauce. Next is the main ingredient, which is rice. I have used fine long grain basmati rice which I have washed well and soaked for 10 minutes and then cooked in boiling water and strained and then cooled to room temperature. In goes 4 cups of rice. You can use any rice you like as long as it's cooked and non-sticky. To mix everything together, I use 2 spatulas like this and toss the rice to mix with the vegetables and eggs. Gently combine the rice. You do not want to over mix anything, just toss in the rice with the rest of the ingredients. And the next thing is to spread the rice in the pan like this so that it will fry well and make it dry and crispy. This is optional. You can also add a handful of nuts or raisins that you like. This is fried cashew nuts that I've added. And then give it a good mix and combine well. When the rice is piping hot and well fried, turn off the flame as our fried rice is ready. Normally I would just eat from a plate, but if you really want to make that extra effort to plate up, press it down in a bowl like this and invert it into a plate. And that's it. Slowly lift your bowl and our fried rice is ready to be served. I make this very often at home to have alongside chili chicken and raita, and is much loved by my family. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you loved seeing my favorite quick fried rice. Please like and share this video if you enjoyed it, and if you haven't already, please do hit subscribe for more. Keep safe and see you very soon. Bye for now.